excitement is pumping up for the adventure ahead. We are happily on deck, staking out our spot at the railing, knowing we are about to face the falls head on.
I see the Canadian equivalent, the hornblower boat, docked on the other side, filling up with passengers too. It is a silent competition between two vessels to see who launches first into the maelstrom. And the winner is us. Our boat is moving out.
Our first view from the water is the American Falls, and already getting soaked. The spray is a refreshing curtain, showering us with Niagara water and making our hair stand up.
But that was just the warm up. Now we are sailing into the basin of the colossal Horseshoe Falls.
The boat is creeping closer and closer. The roar is deafening, and the wind is fierce. Our boat instantly plunged into the colossal basin of the Horseshoe Falls, where a deafening wall of spray swallowed the world.
We stayed right there for what felt like an eternity. The water force was incredible.
Oh, God!
Screaming and shouting,
This is simply amazing! Oh,
half in pure exhilaration.
my God! Oh, look at the rainbow!
My hair is completely drenched, but I kept shooting.
Oh, my God! Oh,
Visibility vanished.
Lord.
Still, looking up, the sunlight pierced the gloom, creating a divine golden glow in the mist, an electrifying, out of this world soaking adventure.
While my mobile camera survived the heavy spray and worked perfectly, Prem's lens wasn't so lucky. It totally fogged up in the Niagara shower. We were treated to yet another glorious sight, a magnificent rainbow arcing through the mist.
You were a trooper, Latha, a true warrior against the falls. The boat is turning around now, signaling the successful end of our brief, exhilarating war against the water. What a feeling!